In addition to adding images to a worksheet, you can also add them as a background image. From the Page Layout tab, you can select Background and then select to insert a picture that you have stored on your local computer or network. You can go and look for an image on office.com clipart, search Bing for an image, or download one stored on your SkyDrive account. If you're connected to Flickr, you can grab an image from your Flickr stream. I don't have an image, so I'm going to office.com clipart to look for an image of shopping. I'll type shopping and press enter. There are 1,000 search results here for shopping, so there's plenty of content that I can select from. I actually want to use this image here, so I'm going to click it and click Insert. And the image is added as a background image to my worksheet. When you add an image as a background image, you'll generally want to use a lighter image, as I've done here, so that the worksheet data can still be clearly seen. If the background is dark, you can do one of two things. Let's just type some data in here. I could format the text here to make it really light. So I could, for example, use white type and bold font, or I could make the background of the cell white. And that way I can still see the text clearly over the background image. If you add a background image and want to remove it, from the Page Layout tab, click Delete Background. If you want to add a watermark to an Excel worksheet, for example to indicate that the data in it is confidential, you'll need a workaround solution because there's no watermark tool in Excel. However, it is reasonably easy to do. To start with, I'm going to click the Insert tab here on the ribbon and click the Text option and select Word Art. I'm looking for a fairly plain sort of word art object that is fairly light. I'll click this one and type the word confidential. I'll click outside the word art object and rotate it so that it's on a nice angle, and then I'm going to format it. With the word art object selected, I'm going to change its fill color to a really light whitish sort of grey, and then I'm going to change the outline color for the font to be a really light grey as well, so this is barely visible. I'm going to copy this image to the Windows clipboard. With the word art object selected, I'm going to click the drop down list here and choose Copy as Picture and click Bitmap and click OK. That's copied this image to the Windows clipboard. Now I can open a Paint program such as Microsoft Paint or any photo editing application and simply paste the copied image into a new document. I'm going to click to crop it to size, and now I'm going to save it. File, Save As. I'll save it to My Pictures, and I'm going to call it Confidential. PNG is one of the formats that I can use, so I'm just going to save it as a PNG image. So I'll click Save, and we'll close down Microsoft Paint and go back to Excel. I'm going to select the word art object and delete it because I no longer need it. And now we're just going to import the picture that we saved as a background image. Page Layout, Background. I'll go and browse on my local computer in My Pictures folder, and I'm looking for an image called Confidential PNG. I'll click it and insert it. The image is now inserted as a background image, and it's tiled so it looks like a watermark.